Yeah, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy So Loud. We back with another video. Today I'm showing y'all my new recent pickups. Let's get it. First off, we got that money green. We got that. Hold on, let me see how make sure that thing look good. Yo, so we got for the first pickup, we got the Sporty and Rich Adidas collab. That nice little money green going on right now. That thing looking like money, straight money. Sporty and Rich Adidas. Got that thing in a size 10. So let's see what we got in here. Make sure y'all see what's going on this thing. I'll make sure y'all see what's going on in here. Woo! That thing looking like butter. Look at the box. In the box we get an extra pair, like look like these are cream white, off-white laces. Look at it. Oh, you see that suede? Look at the look at the bottom. Sporty and Rich. I'll see it. Zoom into that. Ooh, that thing looking like butter. Smell it. Hold on, smell it. Oh, y'all want to smell it? Go in and smell it. That thing looking clean, I'm not gonna lie. I know y'all want some. Shout out to them putting in the second pair of laces. Hey, just look at the details. Like, see the details? Y'all see the y'all don't see it. Y'all don't see it. Look at the details. These laces, it's just the little things. You just need the little things in life, you know? On the whole upper sole, it's all suede. The quality of this feels so good. Like, these are not the same quality as the regular Samba'S, the blue box joints. These, you could tell this is premium quality suede. You could just feel it. Like, this feels good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did get the for retail on the Adidas app. Shout out to Adidas. I think this was for like 120. I tried to get them early and they were going for 200. I don't know where the market is at right now, but these are a go. These are definitely a go. For the outsole and the midsole, it has that gum bottom all around. That gum bottom all around looking like butter. Straight butter. Definitely go get y'all on feet on these, but this is probably going to be my new everyday beaters for sure. These is super lightweight. The suede is like 10 out of 10. These are just easy to go with anything. Let me know what I should do. Should I rock it with the off-white shoelace or all green on green, or should we get the off-white with the green? I'll put it in the comments for me. It's tough. I don't know yet. I don't know which one I'm leaning towards yet. For my next pickups, you know, I had to go the hypebeast route. For my second pickups, I went ahead and scooped the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. These were, I'm not gonna lie, top on my list to scoop. I know they're hated in the shoe community right now, but I rock with them. Get these out the box. That tag on it right. Let me get that tag right. That tag right for y'all. We did scoop these from StockX, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely had to pay resale for these. I had to break the bank. So these are the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. I know this is one of the most top hated shoes right now in the shoe community. But for me, I like the new version with the leather going all around the face. I prefer leather, honestly, over for certain shoes. I did have to pay resale for these bad boys on StockX. I don't want to tell you the price, but I did have to pay resale. You know, this is an essential shoe that you gotta have in the closet. On the back, we got the classic OG tag in the back, and then of course, I know the face, not suede. We got that leather going all around. Me. That leather looking nice. That leather quality looking nice. Classic bottom. I did go a size up. These are a size 10. And these feel perfectly fine. I think comfort level, I haven't worn a lot yet. But first initial try-ons, comfortable for me. Even the my Adidas, the Sporty and Rich, I did go a size up on those as well, size 10. And comfort level, honestly, are both perfect. That enough for y'all. How that look at nothing too crazy in there. So honestly, this colorway for me is just a classic colorway. Like, you can throw these on with anything, any fits you can get this off with. This is definitely essential to have in your closet. Should you guys pay resale for these? 50-50. I'm not gonna lie, I'm 50-50. But I mean, if there's nothing out there for you that you guys really like, then I say definitely go ahead and just pick these up. At the end of the day, these are everyday shoe. Other to me is a 10 out of 10. I feel like this is gonna last a little bit longer. Like the crease is not gonna go crazy so fast. Also, these did not come with an extra pair of laces. Thought they would have threw in some white pairs in here at least. But that's fine. I believe you cannot go wrong with these. Just to get that stance, right there. Look at that stance. Honestly, look at that stance. I don't know what's the hate on these shoes about, but for me, I love them. These are 10 out of 10 for me. I love the leather. I'm not gonna lie to you. These are gonna last longer because I'm not trying to buy shoes a lot anyways. Forget all that. These are my recent pickups.
No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, even last one not to get the stove. No way, not one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Hit that house, like tell me is you with it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Home invasion, what's persuasive? What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Dream the living life like